Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to pin or unpin extensions in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and click on the puzzle icon on the top right. As you can see, these are my installed extensions. Let's say I want to pin an extension. Just click on this pin icon and it will successfully be pinned. Here you can see this is my pinned extension. Just click on it for quick and easy access. Simply unpin it. Go to the puzzle icon once again and click on the unpin and it will be removed. We just pinned and unpinned Chrome extension through the extension menu, allowing quick access to frequently used tool while keeping the toolbar organized. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos